5-minute morning routine for weight loss and energy boost. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we share tips to live your best, healthiest life. If you've been looking for a quick and easy way to jumpstart your day, burn fat, and get a natural energy boost, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing a 5-minute morning routine that's super simple, highly effective, and perfect for anyone with a busy schedule. No need for long workouts or complicated plans. We're going to maximize your morning in just 5 minutes. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more health, fitness, and lifestyle tips. All right, let's get started. Minute 1, hydrate and refresh. As soon as you wake up, the first thing you want to do is hydrate. Grab a glass of water. Bonus points if it's warm with a squeeze of lemon. This helps kickstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and hydrate your body after hours of fasting up overnight. Water is essential to boosting energy levels and setting a strong foundation for your metabolism. It'll also help curb those morning cravings, especially if you're looking to manage your weight. Minute 2, power breathing. Next, we're going to focus on your breath. This may sound simple, but deep breathing exercises can wake up your body, improve circulation, and provide an immediate energy boost. Here's what I want you to do. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold that breath for 4 seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this for a full minute. This technique floods your body with oxygen, energizes your brain, and helps calm any morning stress or anxiety. It's like hitting a reset button for your body and mind. Minute 3, full body stretch. Now, let's get your body moving. A quick full body stretch will wake up your muscles, improve your flexibility, and get the blood flowing. We'll start with a simple standing stretch. Reach your arms up high over your head and stretch towards the ceiling. Hold for a few seconds, then gently bend to the right and then to the left, stretching out your sides. Next, fold forward at the hips, reaching towards your toes. This stretches out your hamstrings and lower back, which can get tight from sleeping. Finish off with a gentle neck roll to loosen up any tension. This quick stretch routine gets your body out of that sleep stiff mode and into an energized state, ready to burn calories. Minute 4, quick cardio boost. All right, time to raise that heart rate and burn some calories. For this minute, we'll do a quick cardio boost. You can choose any form of cardio that gets you moving, but I'm going to recommend jumping jacks or high knees. Here's how. Start with 30 seconds of jumping jacks. It's a classic move that gets your heart pumping and wakes up every muscle in your body. Follow it up with 30 seconds of high knees. Lift your knees up towards your chest as fast as you can while keeping your core engaged. These moves are simple but effective in spiking your heart rate, igniting your metabolism, and giving you a burst of energy. It's a super efficient way to kick off your day on a high note. Minute 5, set your intention. Lastly, let's wrap up with a quick mindfulness minute. It's important to get your mind in the right space for the day ahead. So, for the final minute, take a deep breath and think about what you want to achieve today. Setting a positive, focused intention helps reduce stress, keeps you motivated, and improves overall well-being. Take this moment to reflect on your goals, whether it's sticking to your fitness plan, eating healthier, or simply feeling good throughout the day. Say it out loud or in your mind and let that intention guide you. And just like that, your 5-minute morning routine is done. If you're ready to feel more energized and improve your health, give this routine a try for the next week and see how you feel. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more quick, practical health tips. Let's keep crushing our goals together. I'll see you in the next video.